Hello everyone, hope you all are doing very fine. So today we are going to announce free demo class on Advance SAS. As you already know, we announced our 3-month course on Advance SAS where we will share base SAS, Advanced SAS and overview of the clinical SAS. So any student like in the pharma or life science, in medical science, even in the engineering, non-science as well, can enroll for this demo class because SAS is open to all, because this is the technical domain, but since it is a technical domain, you must need to know the technical information about this. So if you wish to do the career in the SAS department, where that you can see the SAS programmer or a clinical data analyst, there are various domains in the SAS. So if you wish to do the career in the SAS, you need to have a technical knowledge for this. So that is why we are launching the course. But the first day of the course is free to all, so that you can learn how we teach, how our expert teach during this course, and after that definitely it will be very beneficial for all of you to get more information about the SAS. So now I will tell you how to enroll for this free demo class. It's very simple. You have to fill the Google form given in the description. Then after you will get the link on your registered email ID before one day, and also we will add you in the WhatsApp group of this demo class. So what is the schedule of the demo class? Demo class will be held on this Sunday, that is 27th of August 2023, and the timing is 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Yeah, it is online. So if you like from anywhere, you can attend this session. Okay, so how's the session? The session will be for the 3 to 4. It is the whole demonstration, and then after question and answer session will be there. Okay, so I request all of you who want to do the career, or who actually looking how's the SAS and what are the career opportunities. So even you are doing a graduation or post graduation, you are pursuing, still you can join this demo class. So I request all of you to again join and take the benefits of this demo class. So if you like this announcement, if you like this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel, and also share this video to more people who want to do the career in the SAS. So thank you. That's it from this video. Thank you. Bye bye.